Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to register or enroll into an online banking account of HSBC. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser convenient for you. And as you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in the link that is www.hsbc.co.uk. And I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this interface, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option as log on and register. If you already have an online banking account, then click on log on and then enter your login credential and you'll be able to log into your account. If you don't have an account, then click on register. Next interface, you'll have a list of information, so you need to scroll down, and right at the bottom you'll have an option as register on desktop, and under it there is an option as register now. Click on it. So first of all, you need to go through all of these information, and you also need to select your account type. If you're trying for your business account, then click on the option that will be right on top, that is personal. Just click on the arrow icon. As you click on the arrow icon, you can see there are two different options, so you need to select it accordingly for your account type. And once you've gone through this, click on continue, and you also need to mark on the little checkbox located in the left hand side corner and then click on continue. And on this page, you need to select the method to verify it. So for that, you have a list of options such as you can provide your account information, invest direct account number, and then your PIMS account number. So then select it accordingly. All you need to do is just click on it, and then you need to click on continue. So as you click on it, right over here you need to provide the information. First of all, you need to provide your short code, and then your account number and the date of birth, and then a telephone security number. So once you're done, just click on continue, and under your interface you need to verify it, and if the provided information is correct, you have successfully verified your account. And then you'll begin with the login credential. So you need to create your login credential. That includes creating your user ID and your password. So once you're done creating your user ID, once again you'll have a confirmation. So make sure to go through all of the information, and if you're sure about it, click on confirm. And after you've done that, you've successfully registered or enrolled into an online banking account of HSBC. And that is how you can register or enroll into an online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.